thousand for my rent, sometimes I wonder what the sense. I wonder why my by my bed, my devil sleep. Mommy say when you coming home, cause every day me there I wrote you say the food up on the stove, me devil eat.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now people, today I have a video with Shaneil Muir and she has sing a brand new song, Unreleased, that she said on the video. Saying, and this is why I rate Shaneil Muir. For one, she are like one of the few people that we come online. I can't even think about nobody else, but just to be safe, you see what I say, I'm going to say she are one of the few people that must still come online and a sing her song them. You see me? Because that's not something where common nowadays. Now, as far as like unreleased song goes, yeah, well, we can't give her alone credit. She alone credit for that. You see what I say? If you don't hear what I say, right? Because when the Jada mash up the place with an unreleased song, you see me I say, we don't know the song we're talking about GPP. But the difference now with Shaneil Muir is that Shaneil Muir's song not even like, we never know if it record. She does sing it from her heart and she has sing it on live. People, I love that song. Yes, I say, I know someone I gonna love it too because it's real, it's pure, it's spiritual. You see what I say? So without any further ado, we're gonna just make sure do our thing. I'm just out there and I watch with Uno too. You see what I say? So here goes Shaneil Muir song. We not even know the name of the song, but the song bad. So check it out.
So evil out ya. That's why I choose the route ya. Man, I go rob, man, I go teeth, my prefer sing and note ya. Man, I go bang the line, and yet it's college cross. Man, buy my way, my check the seal of education, rather seal about ya. The music talent me I use. Put in all the work, cause me have nothing to lose. And sing like me have a lot to prove. Tell him. So mommy, please pray for me. That him I know saying I really want to see me on the street. Just pray for me. Keep me safe in the studio while the whole world asleep. Just pray for me. And anytime you get the time, and if me run across your mind, clasp your hands, close your eyes, and me I beg you please pray. A couple thousand for my rent, sometimes I wonder what the sense. I wonder why my by my bed, me devil sleep. Mommy say when you come home, cause every day me there I wrote you say the food up on the stove, me devil eat. Trying to know, me make a promise to myself, me have to do it, me have to do it, me have my family for feed. Me have a firm and out the ground, I can't be weak. I pray the Lord my soul to keep, so mommy please pray for me. That him I know say I don't really want to see me on the street. Just pray for me. Keep me safe in the studio while the whole world asleep. Just pray for me. Watch where the evil them a sit down and wait for me. And anytime you get the time and if me run across the mind, clasp your hands, close your eyes, and me I beg you please pray. The truth is, I blame myself a few things. One, I should have never trust no man, and should have never give them the chance for know my plans. And I'm glad my cut while I can, cause if I them alone, I wouldn't have a meal at home. And prayer me use for kill them at listen. Jaja. In a drop it. Man. So mommy please pray for me. I know saying I really want to say man on the street, just pray for me. Keep me safe in the studio while the whole world asleep. Just pray for me. Watch where the evil them must sit down and wait for me. And anytime you get the time and if I run across your mind, clasp your hands, close your eyes, and me I beg you please pray.
Yeah, people, when you don't know the top girl thing go, you see what I say? Vocal range crazy. You know what I mean? And when it comes to topics, crazy. She can sing anything. Look when I sang them with Vibes Cartel, the song them by herself, the song them with, you know what I mean, she have with other people, she have a song with Denique. You see what I say? So I just try to make the point, like, when it comes to collaboration, she did it. When it comes to being by herself, on a dancehall track, she can do it. When it's a other track, you know what I mean, not really one drop, but a softer topic, or something more spiritual, something more emotional, she can do it as well. That is why I rate the artist is well-rounded. And for anybody who think like, yo, we don't never hear me say nothing bad about nobody, that's true, because guess what? I don't make no video about nobody when I like and when I respect and about nothing when I like and when I deal with it. You see me? So it's kind of easy for me. Because everything when I talk about, I can just talk about it because I don't have to make up nothing because of the real thing. You see what I say? I just telling the truth and that's how I feel. You see me? If I something when I'm not into, when I go see it on my platform.